Today's recipe comes from the Fed Up Foodie. I'll be making Mexican chicken avocado sandwich. The ingredients that you'll need is cooked chicken, roasted jalapeno, red onion, lime juice, avocados, ground cumin, sea salt, cilantro, chili powder, and minced garlic. Again, please visit the Fed Up Foodie for the entire recipe.
Good morning, friends. It's Kelly, and thank you for joining me again at Mama Needs a Goal. I am a hot mess today. I just got back from my 2.5-mile walk, but I really need to get this chicken salad made and have it ready for lunch because it's 10:30 now. So today I am making Mexican chicken avocado salad. I have never had this before. This is new, but it sounded really yummy, and I thought it might be something that you all would like. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut up my chicken. My husband yesterday grilled some Italian hot sausage for dinner yesterday, so I had him grill up some chicken breasts for me for today's lunch. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut up my chicken, and it just says to cut it up into chunks. So and here comes my youngest son walking in. I am making Mexican chicken avocado salad, and I thought it would be fun to make it a video and show everyone. Want to come say hi? No? Okay, so my chicken is cut up. The recipe does call for 3 pieces of chicken, which is about 1.25 pounds. They were kind of on the small side, so I just went ahead and used the 3. So the next thing I'm going to do is my avocados, and it calls for 3 ripe avocados, large avocados. These are on the small side, so I decided to do 4. Put those in there. It's not going to be the prettiest of salads, but hopefully it'll taste good. Okay, friends, we are all cleaned up now, and I did have to switch, unfortunately, to a bigger bowl. Not unfortunately, but just more dishes to clean. I did switch to a bigger bowl. I'm going to mix it in here, and then I'll just store it back in there. So I want to get started now. So the next thing I need to do, it calls for 1/4 of a red medium-sized onion. I thought this would be the perfect size, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut this up. Then the next thing, it called for one roasted jalapeno. I cleared out all the seeds and roasted this over the stove. So I believe 1/2 teaspoon is 1 clove. Yes, 1/2 teaspoon is 1 clove. Calls for 2 to 3 cloves. So right there is 2, and you know, I love my garlic, so we're going with 4. Okay, and I use a lot of garlic, and as you can see, I buy this at Costco. I'm gonna let the flavors, I don't want to taste it quite yet because I want the flavors to get through everything. So I will go ahead and dump that in here. Perfect. And that is it, my friends. Grab the lid. I'm gonna make sure this is nice and tight and as much air out as possible, just because you know how avocado is. Okay, get this in the refrigerator. Hopefully it'll be nice and cold by lunchtime. That'll do it for today. I really appreciate you joining me. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe below. I would greatly appreciate it as it helps my channel out. At the end of this video, I'll make sure that I'll let you know whether this recipe was a thumbs up or a thumbs down. But again, thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.